Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Saved by the Paris coming at you guys with yet another video. And today I will bring you guys a massive unboxing that I've actually been holding on from a few pairs from Nike and also one of my local stores. But before I get into that, will you guys please hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, as well as give this video a like so you guys could become a part of the Saved by the Paris family and you guys could be notified as well when I also drop some new videos. And before I do that, I also would like to let you guys know that tomorrow is officially my 21st birthday. I'll be 21 and I'll be able legally to drink. So if you guys would also like to just turn up with me on this video, let's get straight into it. Now, there's a few pairs that you guys can see that came from the actual Sneakers App Nike store with the black tape. However, I've been holding these pairs for quite some time, so I'm not sure what is what. But first I'm going to start at the top with the pair that I just recently caught a couple days ago. Take them out of the bag. Shout out to Hidden Sports. If it's a Hidden Sports rep watching this video, please hit me up in my email. I definitely would like to work with you guys sometime in the future. If you guys have seen this video, hit me up, Hidden Sports. I definitely love you guys. So let's get into this first shoe. As you guys can see, the black box with the red Jumpman, so everyone knows this would be a Jordan 5. Now let's sit this up and down. Haven't seen these yet, just bought them and walked out the store. Receipt for the YouTube police tag force. And let's get into it. Oh, okay, all right. Shit. Alternate Grape 5s. Now this shoe actually is definitely great in quality. The suede is definitely plush. I'm gonna bring it towards the camera for you guys so you guys can see a little bit more in detail, in depth with this overall shoe. Black Jumpman on the back, iridescent tongue, and I'm gonna go back and sit down so I can dive a little bit more into these sneakers. This particular shoe gives me 09 Raging Bull pack vibes. As we know, the original white grapes as well as the black suede grapes dropped in 2013. Jordan Brand wanted to bring us an aerated version with the grape colorway. And in my opinion, I would definitely give this shoe a 9.5 out of 10. And the only reason I would give it a 10 out of 10 is because they haven't officially re-retroed the Raging Bull 5s. If I could dye these and make a custom, I definitely would, but to me, the quality is just tremendously smooth. The color tones, it's like they actually did a great job with the craftsmanship and took their time with getting the shoe together. It's not much to dive into. As you can see, the icy blue soles is normal. Over time, it possibly was yellow, but that's normal for Jordan 5s. And actually, it's not much else to say. You guys comment down below what you guys rate this particular shoe from 1 to 10. Damn, these hoes look good. And there is the first shoe, Alternate Grape 5s from Hidden Sports. So, I actually have a razor. I'm not like the regular YouTubers. I keep this razor on me all the time. So if you know, you know. If you don't, I'm always holding, and I always have this razor as well. So let's get into this second box from Nike. I haven't opened it. However, I do have my Lysol wipes as well as my Lysol spray. We are still living in the pandemic, so, and of course, Nike had a little bit issue with the pandemic, coronavirus. So I'm gonna probably wipe this box down once I open this because I haven't opened it at all. So you guys are actually witnessing this with me. Take the razor. Open this box. It's nothing like unboxing a fucking box of shoes, man. It's so exciting. I love sneakers and clothes and unboxing. So, okay. I think I know what this is now that I'm looking at the box. Place this razor down before I cut myself. And I'm gonna take it out of the box. As you guys know, this is a silver box with the circle logo. Red Jumpman, small, so I'm pretty sure you guys know this is the original Flint 13s. So you guys are actually going to unbox this with me for the first time. Wow. Wow. Let's see if I actually have a flawless pair. Okay. The first shoe is actually okay. Okay, great suede. First shoe is definitely dope. Definitely clean material. Let's take a look at this second shoe. Okay, no blemishes. Okay, quality's up there. Quality's not bad, you know. It's actually like just waiting on something for so long, but when you finally get it out the retro, I actually did have the 2010 pair. I'm gonna bring it to the camera like I did the other ones. Give you guys a quick little view, and then I'm gonna go back and sit back down so I can dive into it. And here you have the Flint 13s. As you guys know, this shoe actually released in 1998. Debuted, also re-released in 2005. 2010 when I was in college, I actually put a picture up here with me having them on. And today in this year, 2020. My overall opinion, it's just something about this bubble when you see the 2-3 with the Jumpman. This is just nostalgic, you know. The Retro 13s, you know, it's definitely something that you have to have in your collection. You know, it's about the history. It's actually nothing too technical about it. Just the original colorway. The quality is great. The gray suede, the navy hits with the Carolina blue Jumpman, and you know, I think I want to say my second semester sophomore year of college, I actually had these, and I actually think I think Hollister was in style, as well as I want to say Abercrombie. You know, that little swag wave. If you know, you know. And here you guys have the Retro 13 Flint Grays. That's my second pickup. Second sneaker pickup. Now, this third box, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I actually got very excited when this arrived because I knew it was coming from Foot Locker Inc. And this shoe, as you guys can see, I already opened this one. I couldn't wait. I just got too excited because this is actually one of my grails. And when you see, you see. And when you know, you know. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. As you guys can see, the usual black box with the gold Jumpman, my original true size 9.5. Let's see. Oh yeah, boy, goddamn. This shoe is a fucking masterpiece. I'm not understanding what people don't like about them. All I'm gonna say is, all I'm gonna do is insert this Jeezy verse. Let's take this shit back to 05. 2005 was definitely the year that this particular shoe came in. I'm gonna bring it closer so you guys can get that 360 look. This is the Varsity Red Dub Zero. This shoe is a fucking masterpiece. Oh my God, I'm so glad I finally got my hands on these. I procrastinated and tried to wait for them to go on sale. I actually got these for $100, so that's a steal to me. So let me dive into it. God damn, this shoe brings back so many memories. With the Jabos, Air Force Ones. They actually had another pair that was like a laser blue that came out with these. But just to dive into the detail with the shoe, god damn, this shoe is so amazing. So as you guys could see with this particular hybrid, this is a Dub Zero. It was from Jordan Brand 20th anniversary celebration. And Jordan pretty much took a collective body of the sneakers as far as the Jordan Brand family, and he combined them together. As you guys can see, it has the 6. This particular piece is from the Jordan Retro 6. This particular patent netting on the back is from the Jordan 15. This eyelet right here is from the 17. This right here is from the Retro 12 on the tone. This particular pattern on right here with the laser print logos of all the collector body of Jordans. This is from the Jordan Air Jordan 20. The patent leather is from the Retro 11. As you guys can see, you have the Jordan 4 on the bottom. And let's see what else I'm missing. I think that's amongst the others. The only thing sort of difference that you're missing here is people tend to get confused. This is from the Jordan Retro 13, except it just doesn't have the bubbles that pop out. But as you guys can see, it has the laser logos laser print logos from the Jordan 20 on a particular hybrid. And man, I just love this shoe. I think this is definitely gonna be in my top 10 sneaker releases of this year that I actually acquired. I'm pretty sure. I think it dropped this year, if not last year, but this definitely will be in my top 10 shoes of 2020. It's a particular colorway. My favorite color is red. It varies. You guys stay tuned. I have something great in store with these particular sneakers. And this here is my third sneaker pickup, and it is the Dub Zeros Varsity Red. So next shoe, again another Nike box. I'm not sure what's in it. I haven't opened them in so long. I just started letting them pile up. I've been on the go lately, so you guys are unboxing this pair with me again. So I'm gonna take this razor. Be delicate, so I won't cut the box. Yes. Told you guys, there's nothing more exciting than unboxing a pair of sneakers. It is so dope. I'm always excited about this. Okay, I see a red Nike box with white Nike Air on it. So let's throw this to the side. Okay. This particular pair is the Nike Dunk Low. Well, I was actually surprised that I actually hit on these. I was actually talking to my mom when I actually got this particular shoe. I was so shocked. As you guys know, these have definitely been a part of the wave all of a sudden, because Travis Scott has been wearing Dunks again. These actually are super fire in person. Wow, I'm actually not a huge Dunk Low fan. Not a fan of Dunks, honestly, but those chunky Dunks and the Travis Scott Dunk Lows, I actually want those. But these here are the Varsity Red Dunk Lows. As you guys can see, give you guys that 360 close-up view like I did the others. It's pretty dope, in my honest opinion. The quality of the leather is definitely plush and unique. Look on this shoe like I have some blemishes. Hopefully I could get a rag or something to get that off, but it's definitely a softer material. I'm gonna sit down and give you guys a little history and a little detail about this particular shoe. So, this shoe actually released, I want to say, in 1985. Now, before that, I know a lot of people don't understand that these shoes were in a large amount of colorways. You had the Brazil that just recently released. You had the Kentucky colorway, the Syracuse colorway. You had the Plums, amongst other dunks. But this shoe actually in 1985 released for college athletes. You know, they went through the various amount of college teams and they was putting them in different colorways. So Nike is definitely bringing that particular nostalgia back, dated back all the way to the East Bay book. East Bay, if you have a rep watching this, please get at me. I would love to work with you guys. When you can actually go through the East Bay book and you can see every color in the rainbow for every team, and you actually can purchase it. I miss those days. That was definitely the good. That was definitely the good days. So this shoe, not too much in detail. It comes with an extra set of laces and this is a pair of white laces. To me, I don't think I'll actually be keeping these. I'll probably put these up for trade bait or actually probably let these go. I'm not a fan. I'm actually shocked that I actually hit rarely, but Nike sneakers has definitely been good to me lately. Also through the quarantine. If y'all got a Nike rep out there, I would definitely love to work with you guys. Hit me up for sure, as well as Jordan Brand. And you know, a lot of people are going crazy for these particular shoes as far as SBs. I'm still trying to acquire that Chunky Dunky. That one right there, actually, that was a nice shoe. And you know, this is my favorite color, red, but not too technical, not my favorite. But it's something I'm glad I hit on because I can use it as trade bait. And that there is the Nike Dunk Low. And I have the last box here with this black tape on it. And where's my razor? You guys are gonna actually unbox this one with me. I'm not sure what this is here. And this here is the last shoe of the bunch. So I'm excited. I'm not even sure what it is. I remember what I ordered, but I'm not 100% sure I know what it is. Alright. Black box. Okay. LBJ, the greatest player in the game today. Pretty sure you guys know what that is once I said that. Throw this box to the side. As you guys can see, this is the LeBron 7 box. It has like a photo gallery of LeBron's celebrations, where he's from, acronym, you know, his high school, St. Vincent St. Mary High School, his street, just a different amount of his accolades and his successors, and actually where he's from. This box is actually definitely dope and unique. This actually is my first pair of LeBrons, so all you LeBron sneakerhead lovers out there, this is actually my first pair, and I'm gonna actually be the judge in just a second once I take them out of the box. Oh wow. Also, with me being a Laker fan, I have to keep these. They're actually not reselling for much right now. It's actually low. I'm gonna bring it to the camera so I can give you guys the 360 look again on this last shoe. This is the LeBron 7s. Wow, that flip-flop colorway. It reminds me of, I would say this is a top 2 colorway LeBron 7. This is definitely dope. This is definitely unique. The detail and the colorways. Yeah, I'm actually going to keep these. As you guys can see the bottom, I'm going to sit down and dive a little bit into detail about these LeBron 7s. LeBron actually wore these, I want to say, on Media Day of last year. This right here is just pretty much the LA Lakers colorway. I'm a huge Laker fan. R.I.P. Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest legends. And I think LeBron definitely going to be able to hold the torch and carry on that legacy. But my honest opinion, this shoe is definitely fire. I've never been a huge fan of LeBron's, besides only a certain selection of pairs. But I definitely would say this one, I think I'm going to actually hold on and keep. Just being a Laker fan, I think I want to acquire me some Just Done shorts, and this definitely later in the summertime staple, little vacation vibe. You know, go to a little brunch, little dinner, or a few run errands. You have LeBron, oh wow, they actually got LeBron James in the shoelaces. This is definitely detailed. Cursive. Okay, each insole is a different color. I will pull those out, but I don't want to mess it up. You got the L and the J on the back, the different eyelids. This is definitely dope. This is fire with the speckles on the air vent, air bubbles. This is fire. Definitely fire as fuck. Yeah, I definitely have to get a fit for these. Definitely a summertime vibe, Miami vibe in Miami or LA, Atlanta, wherever you at, Virginia, and VA, where, you know, my city, Mobile. This is definitely dope. But this here is the last shoe that I have. And to me, I would say, I would give these a 10 out of 10. I'm definitely excited that the NBA is coming back. I know a lot of other fellas. It's women basketball team fans out there. I know you guys are always also excited that they're actually going to be in NBA bubbles. You know, actually anxious, but also be safe and cautious, you know, with everybody, because they do have families, and, you know, everybody's at risk day to day with what's going on. But this has been your boy Saved by the Pairs with this massive unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I actually have some more videos coming up soon. As I stated again, my birthday is tomorrow. You guys, you know, wish me a happy birthday in the comments. It's not much to do with the pandemic, but I'm definitely gonna make the best of it. And until then, you guys always stay fresh on from the feet up. As you can see, check the drip. And it's your boy Saved by the Pairs. Until next time.